Drones for Seniors, a fun and easy way to explore the skies. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's taking off, quite literally drones. Whether you're young or young at heart, drones are a fantastic way to stay active, creative, and connected. In this video, I'll be sharing why seniors might love flying drones recreationally, the benefits it can bring, and how you can get started safely. So let's lift off. Why drones are great for seniors. Brain booster. Flying drones and learning how to navigate flight paths, operate cameras, or use flight planning apps keeps your mind sharp and engaged. Fun outdoor activity. Heading to a park or open field with your drone gets you outdoors for fresh air and gentle exercise. Social connection. Meet new people by joining local drone clubs, online communities, like Facebook or meetup groups, or by simply sharing your aerial footage with friends and family. Community involvement. Some seniors volunteer their drone skills for community projects, like wildlife surveys, mapping, or even helping with search and rescue operations. It's a hobby that can give you purpose and help others at the same time. Getting started. So how do you start? It's simpler than you might think. Choosing the right drone. Look for beginner-friendly options with features like GPS stabilization and obstacle avoidance. Popular models such as the DJI Mini series are lightweight, easy to fly, and come with great safety features. Brands like Autel and Parrot also offer user-friendly drones worth exploring. Basic equipment. You'll need the drone, a remote controller, often included, and a smartphone or tablet to see your drone's live camera feed. Don't forget a carrying case, extra batteries to extend your flight time, and compatible memory cards for storing photos and videos. Safety and regulations. In the US, all recreational flyers must pass the FAA's Trust test. It's quick, free, and covers essential drone safety rules. You can take the test online from any FAA-approved test provider, such as Academy of Model Aeronautics, AMA, modelaircraft.org Trust, Pilot Institute, pilotinstitute.com Trust, or visit the FAA website for a full list of authorized providers. FAA Trust Test Info, FAA.gov US Recreational Flyers Knowledge Test Updates. If your drone weighs more than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, you'll also need to register it with the FAA at FAADroneZone.gov. If you're outside the US, check your country's aviation authority for local rules. Compliance is crucial for safe and legal flying. All links will be in the description. Tips for your first flight. Now let's talk about your first flight. Here are some tips to help you feel comfortable and confident right from the start. Pick a wide open space. Choose a large field or open area with few obstacles like trees or buildings. This space makes practicing takeoffs, landings, and gentle maneuvers much easier. Start slow and low. Take off, hover, and practice small movements to get used to the controls. Gradually build altitude and distance as your confidence grows. Mind the weather. Calm days are best. Strong winds can affect your drone's stability, especially for lightweight models. Stay in line of sight. Keep your drone visible at all times. Not only is this required by regulations in many countries, but it also helps you avoid accidents. Enjoying the benefits. Once you've mastered the basics, the sky's the limit. You can capture stunning aerial photos or videos of local scenery, keep track of your neighborhood from a fresh vantage point, or simply enjoy the thrill of a bird's eye view. Many seniors find immense satisfaction in sharing their drone footage with friends, family, or online communities, and some even volunteer in local events or wildlife surveys. It's truly a hobby that can open up endless possibilities. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to give drone flying a try. There's so much fun to be had, and it's a great way to stay active and engaged. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on drone flying, photography, and staying adventurous at any age. Until next time, happy flying and take care. Want more drone tips for beginners? Check out the links in the description for drone recommendations, a quick guide on the Trust test, and resources for safe flying.
Fly safe and have fun!